Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's micros market recap. Let's get right into it. It is Wednesday, August 24th, just almost to the close here. Markets are pretty slow right now, so I figured I might as well just do this right now. Starting us off with micro oil, we opened inside of the range, pretty much right at the close. Had some up and down movement, nothing really specific until that 9:35 mark. We had nice drive up, and they stalled at that HVA edge. Makes you wonder. Right? Maybe these things have some merit to them. News came out, came down, tested those lows from the opening, and they got stuffed. They drove it back up, and they barely made some new highs, and they drove it down again. And it's just back and forth at this HVA level all day long. Ultimately, they did finally get away from it towards the end there and made some new highs for the day. Gold, similar story, opened pretty close to its close from yesterday. Sideways movement, and then after that, they just drove it up. Several good entries there after they had that initial drive at these HVA levels. And if you're new here, then you need to know that these levels are given out the night before the next day's trading endeavors, meaning these levels will be available to our students tonight for them to use tonight, in the morning before the market opens, and during the pit. If you aren't aware, futures are practically open 24/7. Obviously, they're closed on Friday afternoon through Saturday evening, and they open up sometime on Sunday evening. And then they have these soft closes and such. But for the most part, they're open 24/7. As far as our equities go, well, it looks like they're going to be closing net up from yesterday. Not by a whole lot, but regardless, net up. I'll try to scroll back just a little bit, get this so we can see more of it in there. So we opened not terribly far from the close in the ES, towards that lower portion of the range, had initial selling, and then for the most part, it was just choppy all day. But you can see they had some expansion out and up away from the close from yesterday, and then they just came right back down to that level and didn't really have any good breaks away. But if we close right here at this moment, I mean, we're good 20, almost 20 points away from that, and we got 4 minutes really till the close. Nasdaq, similar story. Try to scroll back here. I guess that's as far as it goes. It did also open towards that lower end below the close, had initial buying opposite of what the ES had, and then we saw some selling, set that floor in for us, and then again, it's just a choppy day, and they had driven it up, had some good range extension, and then ultimately closing net positive. So today was pretty choppy. Several entries, however, that were available for students. I recommend go checking out the video in association with today's trading endeavors, the win-loss break-even video that will be put out later today by Pat. So again, if you are interested in finding out more information about these HVAs and how you can get them onto your charts, or if you want to learn how to trade futures with our methodology, feel free to visit us on our Facebook page or go to our website at targettrading.co. Get in touch with a representative at either location. They'll gladly be able to show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.